Hi, today I will be talking about how you can become the best in everything you do. The first thing you need to do is to understand yourself. The second thing, identify your strengths and your weaknesses. The third thing, you have to constantly make changes and improve on your weaknesses. The fourth thing, you have to also be willing to improve on your strengths. Just because they are your strengths doesn't mean you cannot continue to improve on your strengths. There are always room to improve on everything you do. You have to have the mindset of continuous improvement. The fifth thing, you have to have the confidence, determination, the zeal, and eagerness to succeed in everything that you do. This book that I've written can guide you to become the best in everything that you do. You can get this book in Amazon. This book can give you more detailed information on how to become the best in everything that you do. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best. Don't hesitate to subscribe my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel you will see other motivational, sports and entertainment videos that will help you to continue to succeed in anything that you do. Thank you once again for watching and have a wonderful day.